It's now time for a fun stop. Run the instructions. You have to go show you how it goes.
Is called the balloon pyramid. For this challenge, the hosts will be given 6 cups and a balloon each. By inflating and deflating the balloon, they will be required to make a pyramid without using their hands. You have 1 minute 30 seconds on the clock. The challenge starts in 3, 2, 1.
You spend your whole life with me. Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Don't lie to me. If I didn't have anything, I wanna know would you stick around?
Can I move this one?
And we lost it all today. Tell me honestly, would you
Fucking not it.
stay if I showed you my flaws? If I couldn't stop, tell me honestly.
What have you been doing? I never worked with that.
We're done. We're done. We're done.
Can I take out the cup or the other cup? Oh, okay.
We're done. We're done. Everybody does to me done win already. Me done. Me done. I'm done. Sakina, what are you doing? Me win. Sakina, me win. Me stop pay she man. Me win. Me push it out. Me help you. So you not cover mine? Me go keep me go do it. Go keep me go do it again.
Look here! Hey, if you ever hear the producer laugh after we, it's not even funny. This cannot be right.
See there? We win again. Sakina. No, she can't. Don't have use her hand. No, she cheated now. Me win. Me win.
Your sister could hold the balloon.
But me win. Me win 2 times. Sakina, me win 2 times. And you stay the pair of mine. Can I go chop in?
I am so done. If Dwayne is here, when we come back after the break, we'll continue the show. Oh, you never heard on my foot. One smile after the break. I'm not talking. I almost did it.
Come over and start up a conversation with just me. And trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox. And then we start to dance. And I'm singing like